The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo delivers an impressive blend of portability, power, and professional features, making it one of the most appealing compact drones for creators, travelers, and hobbyists seeking high-quality aerial footage without the weight and complexity of larger models.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Straight out of the box, the Fly More combo sets itself apart with its generous accessory package, including 3 intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, spare propellers and filters, a protective shoulder bag, and the RC2 controller with a built-in display, giving pilots everything they need for extended sessions and seamless operation. The drone itself continues DJI's tradition of ultralight engineering, staying around the 250 grams mark while offering a durable, foldable design that easily slips into any backpack or travel kit, making it ideal for filming on the go. The headline feature, of course, is its upgraded camera system, a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing sharp 50MP photos and detailed 4K footage at up to 60 fps. Low light performance is noticeably improved over previous Mini models, thanks to the larger sensor and high-quality optics, while the 3-axis gimbal supports greater tilt and roll ranges for vertical shooting and dynamic cinematic angles. With rich colors, strong dynamic range, and reliable stabilization, the Mini 5 Pro produces footage that rivals larger, more expensive drones. In flight, the drone feels confident and responsive, offering up to 36 minutes of airtime per battery under ideal conditions. With 3 batteries included, creators can comfortably shoot for hours without interruption. DJI's O4 Plus transmission system enhances signal strength and video feed clarity, supporting long-distance flights and stable control even in challenging environments, while improved wind resistance ensures steady hovering and smooth tracking. Safety is another standout, with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors and intelligent flight features like active track, quick shots, hyperlapse, and waypoint missions that allow pilots to execute complex shots with minimal effort. The RC2 controller adds to the premium experience, eliminating the need for a smartphone and providing a bright, responsive display that simplifies setup and navigation. While the Mini 5 Pro offers a robust overall package, it is not without trade-offs. Actual flight time can vary depending on conditions and flight style, and its lightweight frame, though advantageous for portability, means very strong winds can still pose challenges. Additionally, in some regions, slight variations in takeoff weight may influence regulatory classifications, so users should double-check local rules before flying. Despite these considerations, the Fly More combo remains an exceptional value, especially for creators who need long shooting sessions, dependable performance, and professional-grade footage in a compact package. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo stands out as one of the most capable ultralight drones on the market, offering a perfect balance of advanced imaging, intuitive flight control, extended battery options, and travel-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned pilots and newcomers ready to elevate their aerial content.